again, garden friends. I hope both you and your gardens are doing well. I know for me, this is always a crazy time of year. I'm transitioning from that summer to the fall garden. There's always a ton of cleanup and maintenance to do. I'm in the middle of canning and preserving a lot of fruits and vegetables, so definitely a busy time of year. Today, I have another garden product video, but in this video, I'm going to be focusing on fairly new to me products that I've been testing out within the last 6 to 12 months. I get a lot of comments that say things like, I would love to have a garden, but I'm just too busy, or I'm a new gardener and just feeling completely overwhelmed. So one of the things I like to do on my channel is to test out and then recommend products that can not only make gardening easier for those who are really busy or just limited with time, but also to help make it more enjoyable for those who may be just starting out or just feeling overwhelmed. So today I'll be sharing products that I've been using and loving over the last year, and any links or discount codes will be listed in the description box below. These first products may not make gardening easier, but they certainly can make it more enjoyable, and they're beautiful. One of the ways that I love to show my slight obsession with gardening is through what I wear, and whether that's my hats or overalls, gardening shirts, or my jewelry. This garden-inspired jewelry is from Ana Luisa, and I've been wearing a lot of these for about a year now. And I just love the style of jewelry they create. It's very simply yet elegantly designed, which is the type of jewelry that I prefer to wear. When I was younger, I focused more on quantity over quality of jewelry, so I would buy very cheaply made jewelry. And the problem with that is I have very oily skin, so it would tarnish very quickly on me. I also have really sensitive ears, so I had trouble wearing earrings for longer than just a few hours. My ears would get really sore and irritated. These pieces from Ana Luisa are much higher quality. They are thoroughly tested. I wore these over the summer even when I was working in the garden. Super sweaty skin, crazy oily skin, no tarnishing. I can wear the earrings for hours without any irritation, and they still look just as good as the day I pulled them out of the package. And they actually do have a 2-year warranty against tarnishing, against allergies, and against breakage. But higher quality doesn't mean they're not affordable. They have pieces starting at just $39. They have free shipping in the US and great rates on shipping worldwide. But one of my favorite things about Ana Luisa, and one of the reasons I feel good about supporting this company, is that they are dedicated to sustainability. And as a gardener, that's really important to me too. They are carbon neutral, they are climate neutral certified, and they offset 100% of their carbon footprint. Some of my favorite pieces from them have been any of the floral or butterfly ones. I also love their green stone jewelry because it's my favorite color, and I also feel like it sort of represents having a green thumb. They sent me some new pieces to test out, and this time I opted for more kind of classically designed jewelry like these hoops, you know, for those rare occasions that I decide to get out of my overalls and boots and dress up a little bit. So if you're looking for a beautiful way to show your love of gardening, or maybe you're looking to buy a gift for someone you know who loves gardening, check out Ana Luisa's easy-to-use website. Don't forget I have a link below and a discount code to get you 20% off your order. These next ones are brand new products. I just got them within the last month, but it's not a new to me company. I've been testing their products out over the last year. These are new gloves from my all-time favorite brand, Cool Job. I've mentioned Cool Job gloves in videos before. There's a reason they're my favorite ones. They are comfortable, they're well made, they are well fitting, and they have tons of different styles for men, women, and children. I have 2 different styles of these new ones. These are pruning gloves, and they're a little bit thicker padded to help protect you when you're pruning things like roses, or just to protect you from the actual pruning shears. I also love that they're a little bit thicker, so these are the type of gloves that I prefer to wear in the winter when I'm trying to keep my hands a little bit warmer. And these are so great. I actually had to bust out a fresh pair for the video. The ones I've been using and testing are absolutely filthy because they are so convenient. They're made from bamboo, so they're really light and breathable, but they are touchscreen gloves, which means I don't have to take off my gloves when I'm working in the garden if I want to snap a quick picture or take a video or answer a text. So go check out their new line. Again, if you're looking for an affordable quality pair of gloves for you or your family, check out Cool Job. These next ones have been very useful this year. They are baskets, and they are used to hold things up like watermelons or pumpkins, squash, any kind of melon really, or larger fruit up off the soil. And these are not new products, they're just new to me. In the past, I haven't had need for something like this because I usually try to grow those types of plants vertically because they take up so much space. But this year I grew some cantaloupe and also some mini pumpkins to use as almost like a living mulch. And I just had the biggest issue with roly-polies eating on the fruit. They are also the reason I pulled all my strawberry plants a few years ago. They were absolutely decimating the fruit and we didn't get to harvest any of it. So I have high hopes that I will be able to grow strawberries again in the future. You could absolutely DIY something like this, but I just needed a fast, affordable solution, so these worked great. You can tell I get so excited over trying new garden products, but this one has been really fun. This is a brushless leaf blower from Lithelli. It's really lightweight. It comes with two 20-volt rechargeable batteries, and it has a max airspeed of 112 miles per hour. It came pretty much ready to go out of the box. All I had to do was attach the tube and insert the two batteries, and in its normal mode, it was powerful enough to blow the grass off of our patios and driveway. But if you want that full power, you just have to press this max button up here. It has a 3.2-inch tube diameter and it comes with a 5-year warranty. It's done a great job of keeping our patios, driveway, and entranceway clean, but it's light enough that I think we're actually going to take it on camping trips with us. We have an RV with slides, and we get a lot of debris and leaves that we have to clean off before we bring those slides in, and so I think this will be a lot easier than trying to reach so far with the broom to clean them up, so multi-use product. This next one definitely gets the award for the funnest product I tried out this year. This is a smart bird feeder from WePet. This also doubles as a security camera, so another multi-use product. This has so many great features. It's got a really sleek design. It's brightly colored, which is attractive to birds. It's waterproof, it connects with your Wi-Fi, and it actually comes with its own solar panel. It comes with a variety of hardware, so you can install it in several different ways. You can attach it to a tree, to a pole. We actually just installed it to the wooden garden trellis in our raised bed garden. To use it, you just download the free app, and you can watch all the action right from your phone. My kids and I have loved seeing all the different birds that have visited this feeder. And the plan also comes with integrated AI technology that can help you identify thousands of different species of birds. This last one is my first metal raised garden bed. We installed it last spring and it's from Garden in Minutes. These beds are great. They're easy to assemble. They come in a lot of different sizes and you can configure them in different ways just based on what you need for the shape of your garden. I have a 2x6 foot bed. I also have the optional watering grid which sits right on the surface of that soil, and every square inch of that bed is watered right at the base where the plants need it. And these plants have done so well. I have some ground cherries and some cherry tomatoes that are finishing up for the season, but I still have some French marigolds, some celosia, and some ornamental basil still growing strong. And once these ground cherries and tomatoes come out, I'll be placing in some fall plants, probably some spinach and kale, possibly some lettuce. And even with all of these plants planted really closely together, because of the depth of the bed and because they're watered so well, they did just fine. These beds are coated so the metal doesn't heat up and they just hold up so well. In my area, we have a ton of humidity and rain, so my wooden raised beds just tend to warp and start rotting after a few years. So the plan is to eventually replace all of them with metal raised beds. Be sure to check below because I have a discount code for this as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope I was able to inspire you with some fun and new gardening products. Again, don't forget to check below for all of those links and discount codes, including that 20% off for Ana Luisa. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media channels where I post daily, easy to follow videos aimed at inspiring and helping beginner gardeners. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.